routine dentistry with such high accuracy is only when you see displace the retraction cord and then remove the cage vision and then finish your cavities and do extended work in such a manner. And then sometimes when you're done with your job, just look at your restoration and feel good about it. Just do finishing and polishing and just be happy about what you've done. And then also, if you can, why not do vertical treatment? And then, of course, if you can't find a canal, a microscope can also help you find a canal. Why not? If you can see it, you can treat it. And then, just at times you can relax and just enjoy your operation. And perhaps you can go a step further and remove separated instruments from the canal. I'm sure all of you would like to do that. That's what a microscope can do for all of you.